Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to make a custom donor wall text using stainless steel. What you see here is actually 304 stainless steel, 1/8 inch thick, a little bit less than that, and a little bit less than 3 millimeters or 12 gauge. And it's 304, not 316. 304 is even, overkill even for this project here. It's very corrosive resistant. Unlike 316, it's a lot cheaper version of stainless steel. We only use 316 generally for high industrial customers who work either next to the ocean or they work next to a chlorine pool where the chlorine would actually corrode a little bit the 304, or they're in mine shafts and all this kind of stuff. A donor wall going into a barn, this is overkill and it's fantastic. Now the first step of making this is actually to put the full sheet on our plasma cutter and cut it out. So you can look at the finish of the plasma cutting. It's incredibly clean. If I get the focus working. So everything's really, really nice and clean and sharp. So let's plasma cut this guy. Now this is definitely going on a wall, and the first question you're going to ask is how are you going to stick this on the wall? Double-sided tape won't work very well for this just because it is such a heavy material, and for durability wise and safety wise I wouldn't use glue or anything else like that. So that's what these little holes here are, as you can see here. So the first step is actually making a little pilot hole using a little tool, and then after that we use our new drill press, and what that does is just drills holes right into here. After the drill press did its magic here, it's time to clean up the whole thing. Now on the back here, there's always some burrs from drill pressing on basically any kind of metal. So I use the angle grinder to clean this off, and then I just use a normal wood orbital to clean the surface front and back. It does a wonderful job at this, and I haven't found a better solution for it. There's nothing that compares to just the nice finish you get just from an orbital on regular stainless steel. Now in this video you've seen pictures of the whole door wall. I'm not going to hold up all of it because I don't have enough arms. So if you're looking for custom door walls, we can make them out of any material, any size, any shape. Whatever you want, we can make it for you. So contact us at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.